Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we'll talk about one iPhone trick, and this trick is very useful for those people who are using more than one iPhone or who are using multiple iOS devices. So in this video, we will see how you can receive a phone call on multiple iPhones at the same time, and you can answer the call from any iPhone and you can talk to the person. So this trick will enable that whenever some person calls you on one iPhone, both the iPhones or any multiple iPhones will ring at the same time and you can answer it from any devices and talk to the person. So if your primary phone is not available with you, the other phone also which is close to you, you can answer that and talk to the person. So now let's start the video and check out the trick here. So first of all, the first criteria for this is to have a multiple iPhones or a two iPhones here. So once you have two devices, now the next step. So here the next step is that make sure that both the iPhones or both the devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. So same Apple ID for both the devices, right? After that, the next one is that make sure both the iPhones are connected to same Wi-Fi network. It is advisable in your home, your house or your offices where you have one Wi-Fi network and both the devices can be connected to a same Wi-Fi network. So same Apple ID, so same Wi-Fi network, make sure that, right? After that, now do one thing, go to your settings in iPhones. Go to settings, okay, scroll down and find the option called phone. Open phone and here scroll down and here you will find an option called calls on other devices. Open that. So here if you see here, allow calls on other devices will be disabled by default. So here go ahead and enable that. Once you enable that, whatever available devices will be displayed here. Okay, so just go ahead and enable that as well. For me as of now it is iPhone SE, so it is shown as per the list here. Okay, enable that. Similarly you can do with the other phone as well. So here go ahead, go to settings, okay, go to phone and here open calls on other devices and just enable here. So here once I enable this, so whenever I get a call on the devices and if my both the iPhones are connected to same Wi-Fi network, my other phone or iPhone SE will also ring. So I can answer the phone from any iPhone or any devices and talk to the person here. So you go ahead, just enable this. So any phone or any call coming to these devices will be answered here as well. So both the devices will be enabled. So any calls coming in, we can get on both the devices and can be answered from any one. So like this trick is very useful. I hope it was a helpful video for you. I hope you like this trick, and if yes, please give a like and please subscribe for more such videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.